Moral and life lessons. The fox who brought the ball back. In a dense, verdant forest lived a cunning and sly fox named Rufus. One sunny day, he stumbled upon a glittering golden ball, so he decided to keep it for himself. Rufus spent his days lounging on the ball and bragging about its beauty to his forest friends. The friends grew envious of Rufus' new treasure and tried everything to get it from him. One by one, Rufus' friends approached him with grand schemes and deceitful promises, but Rufus refused each offer. Feeling cornered, he decided to hide the ball deep within the forest. The forest grew dark and ominous as days passed without finding the ball. Rufus realized that keeping the ball had only brought him sadness and isolation. He decided it was time to make things right. Rufus dug and searched, remembering every twig and stone that stood in his way. After hours of diligent work, he unearthed the golden ball, feeling a sense of pride swell within him. With a heavy heart, Rufus returned the golden ball to his friends and apologized for his selfishness. His friends were amazed at his bravery, but more importantly, they forgave him. From that day forward, Rufus learned to share and put others' needs before his own. The golden ball shimmered even brighter as a reminder of the lessons he had learned. Rufus and his friends became inseparable, working together to solve problems and learn from one another. The golden ball remained a symbol of friendship and cooperation for generations to come. As Rufus grew older, he passed on the story to his own children and grandchildren, teaching them the importance of honesty, humility, and sharing. The story of the fox who brought back the ball became a legend in the forest, reminding all creatures of the lessons learned by Rufus and passed down through generations. As the sun set each day, the golden ball would shimmer brighter, a beacon of hope and unity in the forest. The tale of Rufus lived on, inspiring creatures to be kind, share, and work together for the greater good. The golden ball taught the forest creatures that sharing brings friendship and unity. Through the journey of Rufus, they learned that honesty, humility, and putting others' needs before their own are key to building strong relationships and creating a better world for all.